Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're on the beach and we're gonna steam some fish stuffed with sea crab and lobster. So stay tuned, soon come back. So yes guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are at the beach, me and my daughter and two of her friends. We are here having fun. It's always a joy for me to spend time with my kids. However, my other kids are not here with me today, but my daughter there says she want to cook, So my Laura make she do her thing and I help her catch up a fire in the meantime. Yeah, go and set up a fire thing and she go and do her thing. Where she's saying she gonna steam fish in coconut milk, but you hear the trick about it now. I've never seen it done before. This is new to me. I do roast fish already. Yeah, I do roast fish all the time. Yeah. Even for them when I'm little, I used to roast fish for them. Because I know I kind of did a teacher for cook one at the time. When she was much younger going to school, I have her in the kitchen and, show her, cooking thing, but she get bigger now and get work at hotel and she get a more knowledge of cooking and different kind of thing. But she's gonna stuff the fish with lobster and sea crab. So here am I cutting up the season, get the season prepared. Yeah man, I go and give her a hand, to make things kind of work a little faster. So she prepare the stuff them and thing where she need to use, get the fish and clean up and all of that. So I cut up the seasoning and all of that, onion and scallion. Long time I cut up the seasoning go and cut the bowl like this, I kind of out of touch a little bit. But yeah, I go and do my thing. Go and help her out, get the seasoning prepared, wash them and cut them up here and thing. Then she prepare the fish and all of that. So as I say, it always a joy to spend time with kids. I always spend time with kids, no matter what. I always be there for them by the end of the day. And daddy, so I have to do that for them and show them love and all of that, no matter what me and them have. Because sometimes I always tell myself, say, me have woman, young woman left, woman disrespect you, woman do things to you, and you go back and talk back to woman. So why not having the kids? Why keep malice with the kids? There's nothing for me and my kids and can work out. No matter what we have, all have problems still. But because my kids don't have respect for me. You understand me? Especially she, my daughter. You understand me? So at the end of the day, we're not supposed to have argument. Or even if you have an argument, we also can solve it, fix it. So me mind none of my kids are supposed to have malice. I'm supposed to keep malice, none at all. And vex up in a way where we can't call each other and talk to each other. And my kid, especially she, any little thing she call me, daddy this, daddy that. Any little problem on me she call. If she want advice on me she call. So any idea me know me have to do the fear. You understand me I say? So, any little thing, you have to make sure say I play the father role in their life. Whatever since, or when the mother gone left them for me alone did it with them. Yeah man, so I go and cut up the season and get things prepared, Yeah. I say always a joy spending time with my kids. Back then when they're much smaller, I keep them all both. If I decide want a birthday, the rest of them will come see me. Everybody celebrate the same birthday. Yeah man, so I sometimes to treat them, carry them out. Because I'm very hard working, so sometimes they are work, but I always try to find time for them. You understand me? When I reach, I can give them millions of dollars, give them big this and big that. But the time we spend, priceless. I'm tell you that. I'm talk to no man out there. Spend time with the youth them. It's the time when I go a bar, go drink with friends and all of that, and friends turn them back on you. Use the energy there with the kids them. Spend the time with the kids them. You understand me? At the end of the day, are your kids them. Them should supposed to be your best friend. You understand me? Make a youth them trust you. Trust you can't reason with anything. You understand me? So you and your kids are supposed to be in a malice. That's what I'm chat to one that for long years. You say man have the youth and years the man and youth not talk. I understand they can go sometime, things can get one way sometime, but Me don't want that. Me don't want that in my life. Me don't want to have me youth them and me not talk to them and all in something. No sir. I'm not gonna feel happy with that. I'm not gonna feel happy with that at all, bro. So therefore, I will find time to spend with my kids them. You understand? Me show them I love. Me like their shot them there. Yeah man. So my daughter she big. Me lick with all in my head and sit down. And my baby can't sleep in peace at night time. I'll pant up on me come peace. Go urinate and I said urinate for me all and sit in the night time. And look on her she big now. Turn big woman. So I'm gonna tell her so life stay. Look how them little, look how she did mess up time my man how she little and cute. My little baby. She turn big woman now. Me want to cut up the season for her send her help around. I said she want to cook some. And Laura make she do her thing. Normally I made her cook. But I give her a good space where she do her thing. Yeah man. I have to wash off my hand too, you know. The thing have to clean. Yeah. To make sure so the thing them clean, understand me? And all the vegetable and something for wash properly. Yeah man. So now I'm going to cut up some carrot and some Irish. Just put the steam down in the steam down. That steam down now. The vegetable and Irish and the carrot and all and something there. You chop the fish in it, make a fish once to put down in Irish and steam down in the coconut milk. All of that we are doing now. All of this we are doing now. Yeah man. Got to cook down with some coconut milk. You understand? You need to cook now or need to cook. Chop the fish in the night. Well seasoned down. Yeah man. Natural season. I like my natural season. I too like powder season, but you know sometimes you know you have to just have to use a little touch right, you understand me? season them with the coconut milk. And go and cook. And the Irish and the carrot. Right now, pot smell nice. I'm not reached now yet. Pot smell real nice. Man, coconut milk. I love coconut milk and everything I'm adding, you know. I love coconut milk, man. Yeah, man, so I get out the meat out of the shell. It's the lobster and the crab. And it's the lobster and the crab. So I get out the meat out of it. So you can get to stuff it in the fish. And steam it down in the coconut milk with all the vegetable in it and the carrot and the Irish.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen? Du vill ha icy little fingers. Då du vet det chalas. All in, ingen broms, schackmatt på din vänster hand. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Du är mitt liv baby. Aldrig titta på någon annan. Varför du med annan? Kom var med mig baby. Aldrig lita på någon annan. Finns ingen annan, jag vill ha min chockarinna. Låsa och save, ingen sinna. Jag kommer alltid ride with you. 100 gubbar klart jag die for you. Du är så viktig baby. Ja, du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp med dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Du är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Du är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart du finns.
The lobster and the crab in the fish. Sorry, we couldn't get no bigger fish. We go market, we couldn't get no fish. So, the small fish I will get. It's more better if they get some bigger size fish to use. But we couldn't get no fish. That's why we get rid of it together hot. But you know, we still get a vibe and enjoy food scene. You know what I mean? Good idea. Never see it done before. First, the steam roast fish and beat in the other way, but we never beat that other way before. We never think of it. You know, the stuff color in a fish. We never think of stuffed crab, sea crab, and lobster in the fish and steam it. Never think of that before. This is new to me. Rally, she teach me teach her a lot. Now she teach me something. Give her that. Yes, she teach me something. Then she have a crab farm and the milk I put down. See me? Big mama in the kitchen doing her thing.
Det var första gången vi möttes. Våra blickar bara möttes. Kommer du ihåg det igen? Kommer du ihåg igen?
Them kind of vibes are priceless, you know. When I can see, then the kids them can, you know, spend time together.
är så viktig baby. Ja du allians. Du är försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans.
Bubble.
Det är 50-50 baby.
Så Jeff in the fish them now.
Jag växlar upp för dig baby.
Part to someone that can hold the whole of them.
Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Som det, baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det.
Real Jamaican food, you know? Real Jamaican food. Yeah, man. We Jamaican love steam fish, you know? Yeah, we love them kind of stuff, you know? Yeah. Oh, that's the rice up on fire. Some seasoned rice, see what I mean? Yeah, man. Put the butter into the rice. Some seasoned rice to eat with the fish.
Försiktig baby. Men du gav mig en chans. Det är 50-50 baby. Men det är balans. Jag växlar upp för dig baby. Ingen annan. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Det är mitt liv baby. Det var fan ingen dans på någon ros innan jag träffade någon som det. Det är mitt liv baby. Visa mig vart du finns. Du kommer väl till min city? Nej, jag vet att det finns. Kom då, det är bra lives and all nights, yeah. Jag vet att jag min kör det. Skön social, smart good lady. Jag tvivlar det. Visa mig vart du finns, yeah.
Food ready, I know. Food ready, I know. So we'll see how this tastes. I'll sample it and say it tastes. It smells good. It also tastes good. Share it with everybody. You see, these moments are very priceless, guys. So, as I said to you, my brethren them, the man them, spend time with the kids. Cause remember me tell you, you see, every time you lose, every moment you lose, you can't come back. You understand me I say? So anytime you get to spend the youth them, spend it. Yeah man, I tell you the truth. I love their shop, my youth them there. Yeah man, I love their shop, my kids them there. I mean, I tell you youth, spend time with the kids, I not stop say it. Now watch what your mother, what your them mother have. You no matter, don't use because you're the mother in the vibes. You stay away from your youth them. Never you do that. Try find a way to fix things so you can get time with the youth them. Cause let me tell you, are the nicest feelings when you can do with the kids in there. You see me there with my daughter and my daughter cook food, give me for eat. Me feel nice. Yeah man, me feel happy. And the happiest moment for me right now. Yeah, them two girls are two our friends them, you know. Yeah. So this moment is a very, very special moment for me. It always be a special moment when we spend time with kids them. Always. Even when we go out sometime. Yeah man, from back then when we carry them out for them a baby, me carry them out, carry them go all over the place. Me carry them go everywhere. When I left them out, Duns River, we bring them all on ship. We bring them all over. So, as me I say, spending time with you with them is a joy for me. Trust me, it's a joy for me.
Oh no.
Yeah man. When I get no parent time, you know. Yeah man. So me have to enjoy the moment. You understand me when I spend with my kids then. Well now I'm at the border. We're actually at the border of Westmoreland and Hanover. So we are crossing the border. So we're actually in the two parishes at the same time. Actually, two parishes at the same time. So now we are crossing over. We just crossed over. Now we are in Westmoreland. Where we are cooking is Hanover. Now we are in Westmoreland. So there's a border right here. You understand me? This is Negril, 7 miles beach. This beach is 7 miles long. Pure white sand. Yeah, man. Kind of have little moss up on the beach because of the weather. And, you know, the reef. Yeah, reef close by. So, you know, when the sea get rough, you kind of bring in work for seaweed and all of that. Everybody eat and everybody belly full now. Yeah, man. So, yes, guys. Thank you all for watching.
Big up Sablan TV. Out here. Yeah, big up Sablan TV. Straight out of West. Right, that's